Hi guys, welcome to AJAWI TV where we discuss architecture and construction related topics. I'm your co-host for today, Kiron.
And I'm AJAWI.
So today we are headed to Black River to submit a building application. So we're taking you guys along with us. So stay tuned for the journey.
Well, it has already been submitted. However, we need to submit a few more sets. The parish council actually requested a few more sets of the drawings, so we're submitting those additional drawings to them.
Oh, okay. So how much drawings were submitted?
We submitted four sets before, and now we're submitting an additional 2 sets. So the reason for this is because initially they had said that the property was a residential property, right? Single family residential property. But after it went to the planning department, suspect that it went to a meeting, they said that no, it's going to be classified as a commercial, well, as a multifamily property because it has a let's say a rental. Well,
it's like a guest house.
Yeah, like a guest house on it, but they see it as a rental unit. So yeah, but really and truly, the client is going to be using it as a Airbnb. So technically, it is a multifamily property. But initially, when we went to submit this, they were saying that this can go as single family. So that's why we had ended up submitting it that way before. But yeah.
Okay. That's an interesting situation.
Yeah, it is. It is. I guess it's just how different persons look at it and advise us. But we can't beat them for that. We just have to try and comply with their request.
So an Airbnb becomes multifamily? It's based on their system.
Yeah. Well, they don't see it as we never classify it as an Airbnb, It's just a unit that is around there that, they're gonna possibly use as a guest house. Or, somebody can probably rent it. But I don't want to say too much.
Okay.
Yeah. But people do it all the time. Usually, you have your house, you want to have a rental unit to the side of it so you can have an income while you're living. It's kind of like a retirement plan, really. If you are watching this and you know that when you're designing your home, you're going to have a rental unit on it, comment rental unit below. Because I believe a lot of people, majority of people in Jamaica, once they're building their home, they're going to want to put a little rental unit on it. I'm not wrong them. At the end of the day, you live and you want, collect a little money and maybe that even subsidize or supplement your income or even cover the mortgage. So, yeah, it's a good move.
We both know what we want, let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading and follow, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me?
so we reached the parish council to drop off our drawings. They were very, the lady that was there was very pleasant, I must say. Um, Basically, she just updated us on the status of our drawings and let us know what the additional sets are for and where they are going to go. Right? And then, we make our payment because there's an additional fee that is required. But overall, very pleasant. I like how she dealt with us. So kudos to that. Kudos to her. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now we're on our way back to Kingston to assist another returning resident, right? Right, babe?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so this is just a day. What a day is like within my life. As we
And
go
then
about.
leave the office.
Yeah. A day when we leave the office, visit the parish council. We're mostly on the road, so yeah. So we said next.
One thing we know this already, but the South Coast is cool.
Yeah,
So we see why, a lot of returning residents like the South Coast.
yeah. Especially Mandeville. Mandeville is very cool. All when sun is shining on Bonio,
Yeah,
still cool.
because it's now 1 o'clock, and
Yeah.
when we were there midday, we could still feel some cool breeze.
Yeah. So I can see why a lot of returning residents are going that side. St. Elizabeth, Manchester. Yeah.
And the properties are cheaper than the North Coast.
Way cheaper. Way cheaper.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, make sure you hit the like,
Hit the subscribe button.
hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop videos just like this one. And if you want to support the channel, check out our Amazon store. The link will be in the description. All of the equipments that we use are listed there and more. So if you want to support the channel, just go ahead and purchase stuff from our Amazon store. Alright?
Yeah.
Peace out. See you next time.
There's no one